Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check messages on Snapchat without opening them. It will be pretty fun, right? So let's get it right into it. Once you're in your Snapchat account, head over to your inbox. And once you are there, if you have got a new chat, you will get a notification of it like this blue notifying thing. And as some of us doesn't want to open the chat but read the messages, so all you have to do is to keep your finger on that specific chat and just swipe slowly to the right, like this. And as you can see, I can already see the message right as I'm your AI chatbot. Ask me a question and I'll assist you. So let's do it again. I am swiping it slowly to the right, and I already can see the text that I have been sent, and I'm giving it back. You can see that the notification is still on. It hasn't gone yet. So yeah, that was easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to give a comment on the comment box. And we will see you in the next video.